G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. As you would have no doubt seen from the title of today's video, we've got a giveaway for you. What exactly am I talking about? Let's get Four Wheels on the Road and find out. Our channel sponsors and good friends at Unplug Ultimate Outdoor Adventure have given us the big daddy of the range, the 155 litre Unplug Ultimate Outdoor Adventure bag to give away today. We've done a review of it previously. If you'd like to check the link on that, it'll be available in the top left hand side of your screen. It's a fantastic bag for all of your outdoor needs. What we're going to be doing is giving away this bag to one of my lucky viewers over on the Patreon page. And once we've reached 10 patrons over there, the bag goes. If you haven't joined Patreon before or know about it, it's a really simple thing to do. And what we're doing over on that channel is providing you videos with special trips, like the Uluru trip and upcoming trips to come. And what I'll be doing over there is releasing one video every 2 weeks. Joining is only $1 per video, and at 50 cents a week, I think it's a small price to pay for supporting somebody like myself to bring you content that you enjoy. In case you haven't seen links for my Patreon page, there's links below in the description on this video, and you'll also find links above on my YouTube page in the header. So jump over to the page, support me if you can, I really do appreciate that. I do all of this for free at the moment, and I have very luckily a couple of channel sponsors who give me some equipment and look after me every now and again. So that keeps me going a little bit, but the small things that do keep me going apart from that is people joining me on Patreon and also clicking on the Amazon affiliate links down below to purchase equipment such as the Unplug range. So if you can support the channel that way, it's greatly appreciated. I do get a little small commission from doing that, but a little bit goes a long way to help support the channel. Thanks for supporting me. Follow the links down below to all of my videos, social media accounts, and also to Amazon affiliate links if you want to purchase the Unplug range. And also you'll find a link to Patreon down below and also up above in the header on my YouTube account here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time we get Four Wheels on the Road.